Hey guys. Well, right now I'm at the gas station and I'm about to fuel up the Hemi. It's the last week in December right now. Let's see, the date is the 27th and it might reach 50 degrees today. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to go flying. But I have a little bit of an adventure planned. I'm going out to Cromwell, Connecticut to go fly at a golf course. I have absolutely no idea what to expect. All I know is I'm going to go meet a couple of the local racers out in that area, and hopefully it's a good time. I mean, let's face it, every time you go flying is always a good time. So I need to stop yakking with you guys. I need to juice this thing up. I'm going to get some snacks, and we're going to get on the road. I'll see you in about an hour. Let's do it.
Left onto Golf Club Road. Arrived.
Okay, we're almost there. I have absolutely no idea where I'm going, and so I just turned my radio down so I could see better. There's literally nothing but what looks like cornfields around me. Maybe they're tobacco. That's what Connecticut likes. They like the old tobacco pipes. I don't know. I'm going to keep going until I find this golf course. Seeing now that I am at the end of the road, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, the good news is I found some people. The bad news is it's crazy windy here, and it's making it cold. It's probably about 45 degrees out right now, but oh man, that wind is bitter. I came back to the Jeep. They're set up on the other side of the field. I'm just going to drive over there, and we're going to start putting some things together, and we're about ready to get into the air. Oh yeah. Holy crap, is it windy.
was like, it's gonna be like right outside the thing.
Said.
Okay, I'm done here. What was supposed to be almost 50 degrees and a beautiful day turned out to be incredibly windy, freezing cold, and a nightmare. I crashed in a briar patch, out of all places, lost my GoPro for about an hour. Luckily, one of the guys here I was flying with was able to find it. You know what, though? It was still a good time, and it was nice to get out and fly, and I definitely enjoyed myself, and making new friends is always a welcome thing. Well, I think that's it. That's about all I have to say today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you could, check out HotDog FPV. They have a lot of awesome products, and, buy something from them. I don't think you'll be disappointed. What else? Maybe check me out on Instagram, Derek and his drone. Like this video, subscribe. Please subscribe. That would really help me out. Maybe get my monetization status back on YouTube, so I can continue to make good content for you guys. So yeah, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I like your comments. I'll write you back. But that's it for today. We're done here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.